Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a unique piece of automotive and camping history, the 1977 GMC Jimmy Casa Grande. This rare SUV camper hybrid is currently up for auction on Bring a Trailer, and it's a true testament to 1970s innovation and adventure. Let's explore what makes this vintage camper so special. In the mid-1970s, GMC collaborated with Chinook Mobilage to create the Jimmy Casa Grande, a factory-built camper integrated onto the GMC Jimmy chassis. Unlike aftermarket conversions, this was a seamless blend of SUV and camper, offering both off-road capability and on-the-road comfort. Approximately 1,800 units were produced between 1976 and 1977, making them quite rare today. The Casa Grande featured a permanently fixed pop-up camper shell, allowing for increased headroom and living space. Inside, it was equipped with essentials for life on the road: a kitchenette, sleeping quarters, and storage compartments. The integration allowed occupants to move freely between the driver's cab and the living area, a novelty at the time. Under the hood, the 1977 model housed a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 165 horsepower and 255 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, it was built to handle various terrains, making it ideal for adventurous travelers seeking off-the-beaten-path experiences. This particular Jimmy Casa Grande is currently listed on Bring a Trailer. It's a well-preserved example, showcasing the classic two-tone paint and original interior features. For collectors and vintage RV enthusiasts, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of 1970s automotive history. The 1977 GMC Jimmy Casa Grande stands as a symbol of a bygone era where innovation met adventure. Whether you're a collector or simply a fan of vintage campers, this vehicle offers a unique glimpse into the past. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content.